Shout out to Joy Matthews and I'm not sure how to pronounce that one, but I'll give it a go. Zulina, I'm pretty sure. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. I'm still laughing at myself. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. As promised, I said my next video will be the Ocean Breeze Bars, or actually Cinna Breeze Bars, the ocean water bars. Last week's video, you seen me collect the ocean water, and I did some lather tests. So today I'm going to make my Cinna Breeze Bars, which is basically like the Ocean Breeze, but I've just reduced the lavender essential oil by a little bit, and I put sweet orange. So before I wasn't actually using sweet orange, but I decided to use sweet orange because I really like, when I just did a small test, like when I mixed the oils together, the essential oils, I really like how it turned out. So that's the essential oil blend. I'll just pull it out for you. The exact percentages will be in the description. But it's lavender, peppermint, petite grain, cedarwood, of course, cedarwood fix, cinnamon, and sweet orange tenfold. And it just, oh my gosh, I just can't even describe the scent to you. It's just, it's just goes really well together, put it that way. And yeah, so it's going to be like the Ocean Breeze Bars. So it's going to be mostly ivory clay, which is really, really nice. And I'm going to be using gold clay instead of the ultramarine blue. I'll be using the Brazilian gold clay. I really love gold clay, especially Brazilian clays. They've got this nice sheen, nice shininess to them, and particularly because this is coconut oil, it's going to be, the colours are really going to come through really nice. It's not going to discolour or anything like that. And in here is my coconut oil, 100%. And what you see here is the coconut milk that I made, ultra concentrated. So really looking forward to seeing how it turns out. I'm sure it'll be just as great as I was doing it before. The oat milk concentrated version is really nice as well. So yeah, I know that it's going to be a very nice feeling on the skin. It's just a great all-rounder recipe. And for those, oops, sorry, I just bashed the camera. For those that haven't tried ocean water in your soap, oh my gosh, you just absolutely have to try it. It's just one of those things where you just have to try it, put it that way. It's one of my most popular bars, and everyone that's ever used the ocean water bars, this particular recipe, has said it's the best soap they've ever used, or wow, you know, it's amazing, I've never used soap like that before. Salt water just has the best skin benefits. It's very, very nourishing to the skin. It does not dry the skin out. I know some people think, oh, it's salt, it might dry the skin out. It absolutely does not dry it out. It's acts as a cleanser and a detox of your skin. And I don't know, just like when I use it, I just feel like I've fed my skin. It's just really, really great. So yeah, I've changed the layout of my soap making area, and I have a lot of floor space now, which is great. And my bench is much bigger. So that other smaller bench you see me use with the wheels and stuff, I put that in my soap curing room. And this used to be in the corner, but now this is now my new bench, and I'm so happy that I did it because there's so much more room on this bench. So I'm not going to struggle for room like I was before. So this is, I'm just going to put that aside. That's my blend for the stick blender. And yeah, so this will be for the gold clay portion, so I'll like whisk it in, and I've got to work fairly quick because it is a fast moving kind of recipe, you know, as you know, ocean water plus coconut oil. Not a very good mix sometimes, so that will be going in there, and I'll just put everything in reach up in the clay there, in the gold clay. Now that I can actually put it all on the same bench, it's great. Yeah, so it's just going to be, you know, basic swirl, just a basic, you know, like wavy kind of texture on the top. Nothing too like overly fancy, but it's just a really, really great bar. I was really happy that I was able to harvest 10 litres of the ocean water, which is a big plus, so I won't need anything for a while. And I'm just putting this second, I'm just making sure all my utensils are within reach. This is the lime water. I already added the sodium lactate to it. It's sitting at, I think, let me set temperature, 37, coconut oil 29. Yeah, I'm pretty comfortable combining them. As long as, usually I wait till this is 30, but it's fine, it's no big deal. Let's live on the edge a little. And of course the water, I have 2% citric acid. So 2% citric acid in here, and the extra lies in there as well to bring it to a 20% super fat. Yeah, so I thought just to go over the recipe quick. And that's what I'll be doing today. So I'm going to combine everything up and let's get started.